I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're seeing a transfer pending message on Lyft, it can be frustrating, but there are straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Refresh the app. Close the Lyft app completely and reopen it. This can help refresh your account status and may resolve any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Lyft app. An outdated app can lead to bugs and issues with transactions. Step 4. Verify your account. Check if your account is verified. Sometimes unverified accounts can experience delays in processing transfers. You may need to upload identification. Step 5. Contact Lyft support. If the issue persists, reach out to Lyft support through the app. They can provide specific assistance and help resolve any account-related issues. Remember, it is always a good idea to keep your app updated and your payment methods current. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the transfer pending issue quickly. Happy driving!